So good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, we are going to start today the labor costing. So after the material, labor is also to be considered as an important element of cost. 35 to 40% cost is incurred on material, and half of the price or cost is to be incurred on the labor. And that is why attendance of labor, payment of labor, what is the ideal time, what is the overtime, what is direct labor, what is indirect labor, all these things we are going to consider under the labor costing. So there are various incentives, methods of payment of wages. Some incentives are given to the experienced or the work which can be performed very well, and all these payment methods we can consider under the labor costing. So I am not wasting the time. Directly we can start for the notes. So we'll give the heading labor costing. Labor costing. After the material, after the material cost, labor cost is another. Labor cost is another important cost of production. Important cost of production. The performance of labor. The performance of labor. Timekeeping and attendance. Timekeeping and attendance. Ideal time, overtime. Ideal time, overtime. And methods of payments. And methods of payments of the labors. Of the labors, etc. can be, etc. can be considered under this topic. Consider under this topic. Next line. The labor cost is to be classified. The labor cost is to be classified into two categories. Into two categories. Next line, number one, direct labor cost. Direct labor cost. Underline. It is the amount of wages paid. It is the amount of wages paid to the workers. To the workers who are directly engaged. Who are directly engaged on production line, on production line. Full stop. This cost is identifiable. This cost is identifiable and directly chargeable to, and directly chargeable to the output or production, the output or production. Number two, indirect labor cost, indirect labor cost. It is the amount of wages paid. It is the amount of wages paid to the workers, to the workers who are not directly engaged, who are not directly engaged in the production line, in the production line, but they are appointed, but they are appointed in the departments, in the departments other than production department, other than production department. Next line the heading the timekeeping department, timekeeping department, into bracket attendance record, attendance record. In the case of labor, next line, in the case of labor, it is essential to record, it is essential to record the time by a worker, the time by a worker attended or coming in the factory, attended or coming in the factory. Full stop. Accurate recording of time, accurate recording of time for each worker, for each worker is necessary for, is necessary for discipline, 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 punctuality, punctuality, and to increase, and to increase morale among the workers, MORALE, moral among the workers. In the factory. In the factory. The task of timekeeping. The task of timekeeping is interested. ENTRUSTD. सोपवणे. ENTRUSTD. Interested. To the timekeeping department. To the timekeeping department. Full stop. In big business organizations or factories. In big business organizations or factories. The separate timekeeping department is. The separate timekeeping department is established. Established. But in small organizations or factories. In small organizations or factories. A separate department may not be. A separate department may not be. In exist. In exist. Full stop. In the factories. In the factories. Having the large sized factory. Having the large sized factory. Decentralization. Decentralization of the timekeeping department is done. Of the timekeeping department is done. In large factories. In large factories. The time clerk. The time clerks. Supervisors. Supervisors. And the timekeepers are. And the timekeepers are located. Located in the various departments or places. In the various departments or places. Full stop. Workers time in. इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा मध्ये इन ल्या. वर्कर्स टाइम इन and time out. And time out. आउट सुद्धा इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा मध्ये लिहा. during the normal working hours, during the normal working hours, and overtime working, overtime working is to be reported, is to be reported full stop. Normally, every factory has, every factory has mentioning the opening time and closing time, mentioning opening time and closing time, comma, the lunch time, the lunch time, comma, total working hours per day, total working hours per day, comma, per week, per week, and the weekly holidays, and the weekly holidays full stop. Fixation of normal working hours, fixation of normal working hours, and overtime working hours, and overtime working hours are governed by GOVERNED, are governed by the provisions of the Factories Act, the provisions of the Factories Act. Paragraph करा. An accurate method of recording attendance, an accurate method of recording attendance is required, is required when payment of wages, when payment of wages to day workers, to day workers, comma, guaranteed minimum wages, guaranteed minimum wages to piece workers, PIECE, to piece workers. किती उत्पादन केलं त्याच्यानुसार ज्यांना रेट दिला जातो त्याला पीस वर्कर्स म्हणतात. 100 युनिटचं उत्पादन केलं, एका युनिटला 2 रुपये 3 रुपये असा रेट असतो. दॅट इज पीस वर्कर्स. टू बी मेड, टू बी मेड upon the attendance, upon the attendance if the workers are given freedom, if the workers are given freedom to attend or leave at any time, to attend or leave, LEAV सोडून जाणे, leave at any time, it becomes difficult, it becomes difficult to operate the business, to operate the business. Because of timekeeping and recording, because of timekeeping and recording, the workers are bound by, the workers are bound, BOUND, bound by strict rules of attendance, strict rules of attendance, full stop, various other payments are made, various other payments are made to the workers on the basis of, to the workers on the basis of how many hours they are working, how many hours they are working. Full stop. In the absence of, in the absence of any check on attendance, any check on attendance, the factory output may be fall down, the factory output may be fall down below the targets, below the targets. That is why, that is why the timekeeping and attendance is, timekeeping and attendance is strictly checked and followed, strictly checked and followed. Next line la heading the methods of recording attendance time, methods of recording attendance time. Underline. There are various methods of recording. There are various methods of recording the attendance of workers, the attendance of workers, the selection of any method, the selection of any method may be depend upon size of factory, size of factory, number of workers employed, number of workers employed, and the type of production carried out by the factory, production carried out by the factory. Following are some of the methods of following are some of the methods of recording attendance time, recording attendance time. Next line la Roman 1, handwritten record or register, and written record or register. Under this method, three types of three types of sub methods are used. Sub methods are used. Next line A, time book, time book. A timekeeper is record the time of arrival, record the time of arrival and departure of the each worker, and departure, DEPARTURE, departure of each worker. In the time book, the concerned worker has to sign against the entry made by the timekeeper, stop, because of time book, some protection against irregularity, is knowing, because the entries are made in the time sequence, made in the time sequence. Full stop. This method of manual register is quite old fashioned, quite old fashioned, and today it is to be not that much, not that much applied for timekeeping, applied for timekeeping. B, time register, time register it is the advanced manual system of it is the advanced manual system of recording time, recording time, full stop. A time register is kept, a time register is kept at the gate of factory, at the gate of the factory, and every employee and every employee has to record the time of arrival, has record to time of arrival and departure, and departure while entering and leaving, while entering and leaving, and to sign the register, and to sign the register. This register is maintained, this register is maintained in a small factory, in a small factory. Employees in hundreds of numbers, in hundreds of numbers. Both the above methods are not suitable, both the above methods are not suitable to large factories, to large factories नुसता रोमन 2 लिहा. टोकन और डिस्क मेथड, DISC, टोकन और डिस्क मेथड. In this method, each worker has allotted with an identification number, which is on a metallic, that is metal disc, METAL, on a metal disc. टोकन दिलं जातं प्रत्येकाच्या नावाचं किंवा त्याचं जे असेल ते त्या पद्धतीनं. The metal disc includes workers identification number, which are to be placed on board. एक लाकडी बोर्ड तयार केला जातो, placed on board, which is fixed at factory gate, Full stop. When the worker is entering in the factory, he remove the metal disc, इथून काढून घेतो. He remove the metal disc and insert in the box, full stop. The box or tray, TRAY, the box or tray is removed, इथून काढला जातो, is removed after the grace period is over. The another box or tray is placed for the workers who are coming late. ठीक आहे, बाकीचं आपण उद्या बघू. थोडंसं ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह टाइप क्वेश्चनच्या दृष्टीनं महत्वाचं तेवढंच लिहून देतोय. ओके.